Hey, good morning everybody. Adrian here back with another video and today I'm super excited for today. Uh my car is finally ready and now I can do as much retail arbitrage as I want. Finally. As you know, I sold the last car and I bought a new one from auction and was a kind of issue. Now I fix it and finally I can go to do what I like. By the way, look at here. I have these boxes. I have a wholesale lot. If you stay till the end of the video, I show you the product from this wholesale and what the price is selling for and my potential profit. So stay tuned for that. Okay, now I'm going to a shop close hereby uh, because I have to drop this parcel. So yeah, it's a FBA shipment and yeah, UPS will come to collect it from there. And yeah, I go in now and after that maybe can go to do some retail arbitrage, so stay tuned. Okay, just drop the parcel to this shop back here and now heading towards some shop maybe, or actually I don't know. I think I can go to do some retail arbitrage. So I'm here at the first Costco and I found a good product to resell. Look at this. So this is the product. It's a window cleaner or something, and now I show you. So the barcode, I scan the barcode. Okay, this is the product. You see it's selling 84.60, and here it's selling, it's on deal. I don't know if you can see it, 59.99. So you can hit here and this is your competitors. And one question I ask a lot, how someone asked me, how do you list a product when you find it? So it's very simple. Do you see this? After you scan it, you have this option down here. You just hit list. Okay, and they'll show you here what is the product details. Okay, is this one condition new, or you can put whatever, but new. Condition note, any notes about the condition. This is more likely if the product is used or something, you can write if it's any damage on there. The price, SKUs is wherever it's already made. And here it's the last thing, it's ship it. I will ship the item or Amazon. This is FBA. So normally and here the quantity, yeah, let me put 5, and normally I do like that, and when I get home I switch it to FBA if I want to do FBA. So hit continue, and you see this is the list and submit listing, and that's it. They'll take like 10 minutes to list it, return home, and you should see it here after that. Okay, I find a product that I was already selling and I knew it's selling, and it's a good example. For example, if you scan it and this is a product that nothing shows up when you scan the barcode. You see, nothing shows up. So in this situation, you just go in this bar here and type the name of the product. So this is the name, and I'll type it here. The Walt tool bag. Okay, the Walt tool bag. I forgot the A here. Okay, the wall tool bag. And you see, it show you a bunch of products, and you have to find the one that it's yours. So my one is this, you see, and sometimes it's what you have to do if it doesn't show. So it's selling for 48.87 and it's nobody's prime, and the only prime it's 57.95. So I think it's selling for 57.95. This one it's selling for 21.10. 17.59 it's the product, and the VAT plus VAT is 21.10. So actually what you are going to pay is 21.10. So as you can see, I already put the number in. I've been conservative, I leave it to 50. Okay, but again the app is glitching, it doesn't show me the actual results. So I found this hack, and you go into the main menu of your app and add product and history, and they will show you here. And do you see, this product is make me 12.35 in profit, and the one below, it's, don't worry, it's another one. And yeah, you can do this hack if your product, you don't find the product, or the app is glitching. Look at this, guys. I mean, Costco already get Christmas items. We are middle of September now, and those guys already get Christmas items. Look how many there. I mean, this is crazy, like 4 months before Christmas, but I think it's part of their business model. Maybe, I don't know, they get to keep this product, buy it in now, and who knows, they waited until Christmas. But it make me feel like it's in December when I pass by these items. Is it what it is? Okay, I finished on this Costco. Now I'm heading towards another one, because sometime normally the products which in this one will be in the other one, but sometime you can find product or different products on different stores, you know. So that's why I'm go for another one. And also I forgot to tell you, this product here which I bought, if you want to make some money, you can go to take it. It's on sale on Costco, but the only issue, they can they will give only 5 per customer. That's why, otherwise I will book them all. And yeah, it's £10 each, so you can buy 5 and make £10 profit on it. So tip for the day. So let's go for the next one. Okay, here another product that I found. I will scan it. Okay, and this is the product. It's an okay product. It's selling for 49.89 on Amazon. Here it's 26.38. So already done the math, and we go here and here, it will be, yeah, £12 profit. But it's a little bit of issue with this product. Do you see, it's no reviews at all, and it's sold by Amazon as well. So it's another 2 competitors. So it may be a good product, but since Amazon it sell it and it's no review, can be kind of an issue. So I think I'll buy like 5 of them, only to test the water to see what's happened. Okay, third Costco of the day. Let's see what we can find here, and if it's something special or not. Let's go. Yeah, it's nothing left on this Costco. I'm afraid I have to go home. Yeah, sometimes this is happening. I mean, it's part of the business. Yeah, in some store you will find a lot of things, in another you won't find nothing. You have to take in consideration this. It's how this business work. So yeah, now I go home and ship this stuff to Amazon. Okay, this is the second day. Yesterday I didn't got time to ship the item. I will ship them today. I already prepared it. I have only 2 boxes. I will ship it today. Today is Friday, so it will be the last day for the UPS to come to collect. Otherwise, I will have to wait till Monday, and I don't want to waste 2 days. So I go now to the shop, and yeah. So finally job done for today. I'll think I'll end up the video, but before, if you stay so long, I want to thank you, and as promised I will show you my wholesale deal. And the product is this strange product. Strange, not strange, it's a flashlight. Nothing super special about it, just a flashlight. I didn't know it. And now I jump in my computer and I show you the price and the profit and what I pay for it. Okay, I'm inside my computer here, and as you can see, this is the product. And one it's FBA, and I just leave MFN, one of them, just for the sake of being, but normally I'll ship them, all of them, to FBA. So as you can see, the thing that I shipped yesterday, they're already 48 that's going in. So the product selling for 25.71, and my total will be like 19.28, which I bring home. And for this product I paid so I bring the calculator here. So I bought 150 of this, and actually, yeah, 150. Actually, I paid 2,1600 for 150 units. So divided by 115 units, I paid 13.44 each, and my gross profit on one of this, it's 19.28. So if we subtract 19.28 equal, so I'll make £5.54 times 150, 876 pounds in profit on this product. Not too bad as a wholesale deal, and I can check for you the profit margin. I already show you how to do this, and it's Amazon fee calculator. It's here, and you have to go here and just take the ASIN, copy, paste, select product, it's L7, yes. So the price is 25.71, 25.71, and I say I did pay what is it, 13.44. So cost of the product 13.44, and shipping to Amazon, let's put I don't know, 0.2, 0.1 cents. And yeah, as you can see, actually it's a little bit better because here it doesn't include tax, but it's 26% profit margin, and it's like 20, let's say, and it's okay. 20% profit margin is okay. And also, the why I did book this product, because I know it's selling. And under here, the product you can see is the Helium 10 Chrome extension, which is absolutely free to get this graph. You just need to install it, and actually I'll leave a link down below with Helium 10. It's free, just install it, and you will see this graph under the product. So basically here it's this red light is the sales rank. So as you can see, when this line drops, it means a sell, So it's around in the last 30 days. Let's see in the last. You see it's dropping quite a lot. So basically means they're selling a lot. Another hack that you can find how many units it's selling. You can go in Jungle Scout, uh, Jungle Scout Estimator. Again, it's free. This one too, and you see here this, and you go take the sales rank. So this is the sales rank. So 76, which is right now. But let's look. Enter sales rank. Okay, marketplace, United Kingdom, and category, which is DIY tools. And we hit the DIY tools, calculate. So on this sales rank, it's only an estimate 30 sales per month, but as you can see, this is dropping more than 30 times. So probably it's not super accurate, but it'll give you a good idea how much units will sell it monthly. Also, these sales you need to share with all the sellers. How many there are? There are actually 21. There's kind of high competition in this, and yeah, as you can see, it's a lot of people selling it. But I have the lower price. I'll win the buy box and I'll make most of those sales. And pretty much it for today. And if you stay till the end, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.